Well, hello. I haven't done a video in a very long time, so I thought this sounds like a good time to do one. I have ordered from Keto Chow, and I'm going to, my cat's on the counter. I am doing an unboxing. Now, I've ordered from them before, but this is like a bigger thing, like a subscription box, and I don't remember exactly what all I ordered. I think one of them is a surprise order, so let's see what I got. Cookies and cream. Oh, I think it says my surprise flavor is banana. I had ordered two bananas. Okay, so I'll get 3 bananas. Electrolyte tablets for free. I was not aware of that. That's a surprise. I got some chocolate toffee. And I realize now that you can't see these. These are backwards. Maybe I can figure out how to flip it. So if they're not backwards, then I have figured out how to flip the screen. Chocolate peanut butter. I got a beef soup. I got a beef soup base. What? She thinks I'm talking to her. I'm not sure what to do with this yet, but we'll figure that out. Got some paper. Blueberry pie. I can't wait to try these. That's gonna be the first thing I put together. And another blueberry pie. Salted caramel. Apple pie. Banana. Oh yeah, I have one of these. I ordered 2 more, so I can make 3 of them at a time and have them just sitting there, and I don't have to wait for the next one to be ready. And then I got a big old giant caramel macchiato. So there's like, how many servings are in here? 21 servings of caramel macchiato. And I think I've decided that's my favorite one because I can mix it up, and also it goes really well in my coffee. And then I can drink the rest, and there's a little bit left in here because it's like so thick. So then I make my second coffee and pour it in here and shake it up and pour it into the cup to get all of it out, because I don't want to waste a single drop of this. I would have to like scoop it out with a spoon or something to get every last bit. I don't want to leave any of the thick creaminess in my bottle. So, okay, that's it. And I'm gonna go mix up some Keto Chow. Thanks, bye. Do all the things.